heard about this guy named Witchy87, and I heard he does a bomb-ass fucking car wash, so I want him to do my shit right here. What you think?
It's possible. It can get done. What you want? You want the Tutti Frutti special?
As a matter of fact, I just want this door handle washed.
Just that one.
Yeah, just that one. That's all it needs washed. Oh, wait a minute. And that window.
In that window right there.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, and then that headlight. That's it.
The headlight?
That's all I need, yeah.
Look. That's it? That's all you need?
That's it. That's
no
all I
problem.
need, but I heard you do a good job.
I do a goddamn good job. Look at this one right here. I did this one yesterday. I did that one.
Okay. All right.
I did this one yesterday. What you think about it though?
Oh, nice job, man.
You satisfied?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You did the
You
whole
satisfied?
Oh, he did the whole thing, the whole car. Fucking came to a garage. He went in there.
He did the headlights?
He did everything. Everything.
Okay. All right, change my mind. I want you to do both headlights.
Both headlights. So I'm out here at the little super show. I just finished doing these classic cars right here. Had to get it done. I gave him the Tutti Frutti special. I wasn't fucking around when I said it. Got more business coming up. Yeah, buddy, I see it. Yeah, I see it. Clientele. Got all these right here.
Ray